Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video we're going to compute the mean, median, and mode in two methods such as using the formula and using data analytics. What are we computing is known as the central tendency. So when you have now a data, you compute now the mean and median and mode. We when we talk about mean, it means that we generalize the data, or that is a description of the data, the basic description of the data as a collective description. The median is going to give you a position where it divides data in two parts, where the middle of the data, so you're going to see the 50% above and 50% below. Well, the mode would be on the popular data or the most frequent data on your on a given. So this is now our data. This is now Microsoft Excel. So as you can see, I have here shoe sizes of 21 respondents. So that is the data that we want to get the average or the mean, the median, and the mode. Now, when you get now the average, so you can use now the formula. So the formula is average. You type average, then open parenthesis, getting the first number going to the last number. So I have 21 numbers there. So you can see 21 rows by one column. So I'm going to close that. And then I have now the answer, which is 9.61905. Now next, we can get now the median. So you have median, open parenthesis, from the first data going to the last data, which is 21st data. So we have now 9 as its median. And then for the mode, we have now MODE, type in, open parenthesis. Then you can have the first data going to the 21st data. So we got now the mode, which is 8. So this is now our central tendency using formula. However, you can get now another way to look at it is by using now data analysis. Now, clicking now data analysis, descriptive data, you can select now the data. I'm using now the label and then going to the last data, which is on 21st. And then make sure to check now the labels in first row. And then I want to put my answer on column G. Then make sure to check summary statistics. Now, when you click now summary statistics, you can have now this one. So I think we got now the same answer. For the mean, it's 9.61, but however, it's larger in decimal places. However, you can have that when you put that, it's just like the same. And then we have the median, this is 9, and then the mode is 8. I think it's up to you what you're going to use. However, you should know both the formula and the data analysis. If you want to activate your data analysis in your Microsoft Excel, you can watch my video on data analysis activation and descriptive statistics. Okay. I hope you learned something in computing mean, median, and mode in Excel. If you have any question, you can comment down below so that you can have so I could answer your question. So there are a lot of videos about this about there in my channel, especially when using now data analysis. Thank you for watching and have a great day.